All right, this tutorial we're going to be given a graph of an inequality statement, and we just have to write the algebraic version of that inequality statement down. So kind of like the opposite of what the last one was about. So it looks like on this one we have a closed circle and then an arrow moving to the right of our -1. So a closed circle to me tells me that we're definitely going to have an equal to around some type of -1. And everything is moving to the right, and that direction of our arrow is going this way. And that symbol is the greater than. So we have greater than or equal to. We're going to use x as our variable, and the number is -1. Okay, and the next one, open circle, so where it's not going to be equal to, but it's still moving the exact same direction. And our symbol is that one, which is greater than. So we're going to say x is greater than 424. So just follow what the circle tells you to do really is the only main difference, open or closed. And the direction left or to the right, just follow what the arrow tells you to right at the end of your line.